Hey, it's Micaela. Welcome to Amara Vida LLC. Please subscribe and give a like if you learned something, and feel free to share. All right, so I'm going to show you how to just take a simple screenshot and drag it right onto a Google Doc. So I'm on a Mac. I'm going to click Command-Shift-4, drag over what I wanted. I'm going to Command-Shift-5 if I want the whole screen. I can drag and drop it where I want. I'm just going to click capture. It gets right here on my screen. It went to the bottom right corner. I just drag it right onto the tab of the Google Doc that I want, and boom, it's there nice and big. Then you can even get it and you can resize it. So super convenient when you're taking notes. So really simple. Go to where you want the image to capture. Command-Shift-4 to drag and drop. Grab it from the bottom right. Drag it right up onto the tab that you want it to go and place it. Happy Googling!